Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. In today's video guys, we will show you how to remove, replace and install serpentine belt on BMW 5 Series generation E60 E61 guys. Video will be super helpful guys to any of you that have to do that, because we have the front end taken apart and we can show you how to do that. So if you have a 523, I think 525, 528, 530, even maybe it can be helpful on the 535, we'll show you guys how to do that. Now, before we start, let me introduce you to our channel guys. Every single car we get at the shop, we make at least 200 free repair videos, on BMWs even more. Why? Because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need guys in return, please subscribe to the channel and like the video so we can keep providing that free information. Now, something else, if you need to buy replacement parts or tools, check out the links in the description of the video below. We'll show you guys where we get all that stuff from. And we have another channel called Electrical Car Repair Live that you can see even more information there about that engine guys, N52 engine, and how to diagnose that engine. So let me show you what we have now. This is your serpentine belt. This is your crankshaft pulley, AC compressor, tensioner pulley, alternator, idler pulley, and you have the power steering pump here. On the tensioner pulley you have one slot where you can install Torx 60 guys bit like that. We'll put the link in the description of the video below. Go in and then go clockwise. Check it out, it's going to release the belt now. The moment it releases the belt, pull it out and gently release it. Now we can go ahead and grab the belt and just remove it. Alright, perfect. Now we'll get it out of the AC compressor, we'll grab the new one and we'll continue. So we get the belt guys. If you need to buy a new one, we'll have the link in the description of the video below, check it out. Usually we install it on the AC compressor first, it's very tight fitting. Now let me explain something before we continue. You will have the radiator fan here guys, radiator fan will be here. So I'll recommend, before you stick your hands to actually do anything to the belt, disconnect your car battery, that way the fan cannot turn on and take your fingers off. That's extremely important guys, and it really matters on modern vehicles which battery terminal you disconnect and reconnect first, that way you cannot cause damage to your electrical system guys. If you don't know about that, I'll put the link to the video in the description of the video below, check it out. Now we'll go to the alternator, right there. From the alternator to the idler pulley, then we'll go to the power steering. We're going to go to the crankshaft pulley there. Perfect. And later we are going to lastly go on the tensioner pulley. So I'll keep tension on it while one person is getting the pulley loosen. Perfect. And you gently let go. Make sure that the belt is aligned in all the canals on all the pulleys, otherwise it can be destroyed in just no time. So hopefully guys the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.